In this video guide, you'll be instructed to get rid of pop-up windows that are associated with the website oossautseed.com. It's really hard to properly pronounce the name of this website, but definitely it doesn't really make any decent particular sense. When you look at this website, it actually doesn't display any genuine content worth paying attention to. However, the website says that you need to click on the Allow button to subscribe to the push notifications and continue watching. In reality, this is a totally deceptive message that you should never trust. Whenever people agree with the proposal and click on this Allow button, their browser gets immediately hijacked and infected. So people start seeing a lot of ads that will be popping up randomly in the screen and redirecting them to a lot of other questionable websites periodically. By the way, the occurrence of such pop-ups may be the trace of certain adware in your computer. So what to do if you have mistakenly clicked on this Allow button? You need to fix your Google Chrome and other browsers immediately, and you need to go to the menu, click on Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, then choose Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications and delete the malicious website from the Allow area. So when you check the Allow area, you'll find this questionable site causing the troubles, so remove it from this list. Basically, this should fix the issue with unwanted web push notifications. However, I would also recommend that you scan your PC with Combo Cleaner. You may get to the page combocleaner.com, download the software and start scanning your device with this tool, and this will help you to make sure that your system doesn't have any other hidden threats. How to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for fixing your Windows computer and browser-related problems. The program is initially in the trial mode. You may select the preferred scan type, however, remember that full scan or custom scan are only the parts of the premium version. There are some other good features in Combo Cleaner, like big files and duplicates checker. You may consider using these features. But if you want to get your PC fully fixed or at least inspected, consider the quick scan in the trial mode. So click on Start Scan button. The program will begin scanning your computer, and it will soon discover certain problems related to your available browsers or possibly related to the other issues with your Windows computer. Then the program at the end of scan will give you the full report about the current condition of your Windows computer and Windows related browsers. You may then get the clear image of what is going on with your computer, and you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the application to get all these troubles fixed and dealt with.